How to sign up for Uploadcare, how to get your Uploadcare account. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to show you very simply how you will sign up for your Uploadcare free account. So I'm right here on one of the main Uploadcare pages. First things first, I do have a link, an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click that link and you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. You will get some kind of benefit in using that link. It depends on what kind of plan you go for and what Uploadcare are offering, so I can't say the exact kind of bonus or benefit that you'll get, but once you click that link you'll find yourself over here. Now you can get the demo or you can start for free. So to get that free account, we're just going to click on start now for free right here, this blue button. Now it'll take us to this page where we can sign in. Now you can start building with your free plan. This is the best in class file uploader, integrated cloud storage and API, image optimization to next gen formats like AVIF, WebP, etc. Now I'm not going to read everything here, but very simply you are just going to create your account right here. So if you have a Google account or Gmail, you can sign in with your Google account here. You can also sign in and continue with GitHub, or you could just do it the old school way, put your email and your password in there, tell them you are not a robot, you do the CAPTCHA there and then click sign up, and that is how you get your free Uploadcare account. So use my link, check out the platform, see if it is the right platform for you. You can stick around on the free plan, that's absolutely cool, or you can get a paid plan, it's up to you. There's no pressure at all. So check that out. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.